Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing another one of these pants from Taylor Stitch. So this is from Taylor Stitch. This is the Apres pant in natural color, the Sashiko Apres pant. Here we go, really nice material. Show you all the texture up close. Cuffed at the bottom. Very comfortable. This is my third pair. I really like these, so this is my daily PJs. That's why I got more. Here's a tag. Here's the inside. Nice, cool detail on a map pocket. Nice pockets here. Deep, fits everything I need. And then the back. Back has these two pockets. Button pockets. Really nice. Let me show you all before I open it. Yeah. Overall, really nice pants. So I got a third pair, different colors, and really comfortable. Yeah, let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. I'll catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.